In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Google Appointment Scheduler in Google Calendar in this quick tutorial. Whether you're managing your own schedule or coordinating with a team, having a well-organized calendar is essential. Let's dive into the steps to not only locate but effectively edit an appointment schedule within Google Calendar. First, you'll begin by navigating over to your Google Calendar. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure to do that first so you can access all your existing appointments and schedules. Once you're in the calendar view, take a moment to look through your scheduled events, which will typically show up as different colored blocks depending on how you've organized them. Next up, you'll want to find and click on an existing appointment schedule that you're interested in editing. These are usually clearly labeled and can often be found with familiar tags or names that you've previously set. When you click on it, a small pop-up will appear, giving you a quick overview of that particular schedule. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of that pop-up, where you'll see a pencil icon. This is your gateway to editing. Click on this icon to open the editing interface. Once you're in this space, it's like having a blank canvas. You can adjust the timing, add participants, or alter the appointment details as your requirements dictate. This flexibility is incredibly useful for making spontaneous changes or planning ahead. After you've made the changes you need, the next button you'll be looking for is the Next button. Click on it to continue the editing process. This step allows you to move forward and, if necessary, refine additional details related to your booking page. For instance, you might update the meeting link or the location, or even add some important notes for your attendees. Once you've completed your updates, you'll find the Save button prominently displayed. This is the final step to lock in all your adjustments. Clicking Save commits your new schedule details to memory, ensuring that everyone involved stays informed and that your changes are reflected on all synced devices. Editing your Google Appointment Scheduler is as straightforward as that. It's a skill that can be a true lifesaver for anyone who relies on digital calendars to keep their days in order. Remember, being able to make quick and efficient adjustments to your schedule can greatly enhance your productivity and communication with others. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your scheduling experience a lot smoother. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools.